In this video, I will show you how you can create AR project in inCitu Pro and using the ArcGIS integration, create the content on your ArcGIS portal and also use the created scene layer and feature layer in ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Online and any other supported products. We will start by finding the model on Sketchfab. So this can be, for example, a telephone pole. Sometimes the models from Sketchfab has like wrong material setups or some missing UVs or any other geometry errors that are not supported in either ArcGIS Online or in the GLB and USDZ file formats and they are rendering engines. So if you see any error that the project is not created or the project is created on inCitu Pro but it's not visible on ArcGIS Online, it's mostly the problem with the 3D model itself. In that case, we suggest to send us the 3D model to review or follow the guidelines from our documentation to see how to prepare the model for export. We will use now GLB the size with texture size 1K. Okay, let's download the model. Okay, it's done. Back to inCitu Pro. We have to connect our inCitu Pro with ArcGIS Online portal. So sign in to ArcGIS through account page on inCitu Pro. Okay, hello. Okay, so the account is connected. Now when we create a new project, the content will be generated also on the portal that we signed in. So it's inCitu in my case, but if you are a member of your organization portal, it will be output to there. Okay, let's start by creating a new project. Load the telephone pole. Okay, the model looks good. Let's find a place. It can be New York, let's say Brooklyn Bridge. Zoom to our model. Okay, and position it here. Okay, we can see that model is not on the ground. It's usually when the pivot point of the model is not correct in the 3D model file itself, because we didn't import it anywhere to adjust. We can bring here down. Okay, to the next. Down. Tutorial. Next, and publish. This phase will generate the QR code for the AR project, and in background it's creating all the content required for ArcGIS Online. We can quickly verify that the model is still correct by copying the link and going to see the placement on the map, and we have our model. Scanning the QR code with your phone, you can see the model in AR. The ArcGIS content generation can take up to 5 minutes. Let's go to our content and verify that all the required layers are created. So yes, we can see that the feature layer is generated and also the scene layer. And if we go to the feature layer, we can verify that the data entries for the feature layer is available. Yes, we have the GLB asset type and all the georeference attributes. Now we can also open our generated layer in a new scene viewer. So let's choose a new local scene, and from here we can browse layers and find our scene layer. So this is the one. Okay, it's created. You can also edit this feature and add new features. Let's choose our layer and zoom to the pole to see if it's still positioned near the Brooklyn Bridge. Yes, looks correct. To use this feature layer in ArcGIS Pro, let's open ArcGIS Pro, create a new local scene. Go to map, add data, and we want to add the data from our feature layer URL. Let's go back to content and find the feature layer, copy the URL, paste it to ArcGIS Pro and add the layer. Okay, looks correct. And zoom to layer to see the 3D model. Okay, it's still here, the position is still good, and from here you can work in ArcGIS Pro scene.